Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you all my top 7 products from Inside Cosmetics. So this is one brand I always look forward on Nykaa app, and I ordered quite a few products from this brand, and here is my list of top 7 favorites. And the best part is all these products are under rupees 250. With all these products you can pretty much create a full face of makeup. So let's get started. So the first product I have is the Inside Concealer in the shade Golden Sand. This concealer has a gel-like consistency, it's smooth, it's lightweight and feels very comfortable on the skin. And the best part is it settles down into a comfortable matte finish. And not to mention it's incredibly affordable, priced at just rupees 125. As you can see, a little goes a long way with this product. It gives a natural, flawless finish. It works well with a brush or a sponge or even with your fingers. Pigmentation of this concealer is medium to buildable, allowing you to customize your coverage according to your preference. And obviously it covers my panda eyes, so it is an amazing concealer. And the concealer comes in 6 different shades, which I think they should improve on, but this one is a perfect match for me. Next up I have on my list is a cream blush. I recently stumbled upon a hidden gem on Nykaa. It's this cream blush. It is not only amazing but also super affordable. This is just for rupees 80, you guys. It has a creamy consistency that glides effortlessly on the skin. The formula is lightweight and blends like a dream. This actually gives a natural flush of color to my cheek. And what I love about this blush is its pigmentation. As it's highly pigmented, a little dab is just enough. If not, the color can look overpowering or it might look you're punched in the face. When blended with fingers, I think this blush melts into your skin and gives a natural dewy finish. This shade right here is a beautiful coral color which is perfect for the summer. And I've been wearing it all day and I must say it has an incredible staying power. And the third product on my list is this cream highlighter. Cream based highlighter gives your skin a beautiful natural dewy finish. One thing I love about this product is it doesn't have a junky glitters in it, which might look very odd on the skin. They have few shades in this highlighter which suits all the Indian skin tones. I recommend using your fingertips to blend this because the warmth of the fingers actually blends this pretty well. I love this product because it is so versatile. It can be used as a highlighter, eyeshadow and an inner corner highlight. And the best part is again this is just for rupees 80. Next I have 2 lipsticks on my list. The first one is the Inside Matte Lip Pink in the shade Cocoa. This is an amazing red shade with a brown undertone. It pairs perfectly with all the ethnic wear and I think this is a very festive and wedding appropriate lipstick. It has a brown undertone, so it suits all the Indian skin tones very well, but I think especially it suits dusky skin tones just perfectly. It has a matte finish with a very good pigmentation. It doesn't fade away even after an Indian wedding meal. Next lipstick is the Inside 24 Hours Stay in the shade Forget Me. This is another amazing shade from this brand. This shade especially is very beautiful because it's a red lipstick with a blue undertone and it gives me a very Christmassy vibe. It is that perfect lipstick shade that we all see in the Christmas movies, and I think this will go perfectly with the classic wing eyeliner. It has a creamy matte finish and it is intensely pigmented, guys. I would like to dab this lipstick to apply rather than just swipe because it might look too dark for my liking. Suits all Indian skin tones and especially fair to medium skin tones. Next up I have a very useful product which is a clear gloss. I must say glossy lip look is back in trend and I can see a lot of it on Instagram. So having a clear gloss can be useful as we can apply it on top of any lipstick shade and make it look like a lip gloss in that shade. I particularly love this gloss for being non-sticky because I hate my hair getting stuck to my lip gloss. Most amazing part about this product is it almost feels like a lip balm but gives a glossy finish. And the best part is this is just for rupees 100, guys. The last product is not related to makeup but this is related to beauty. This pastel nail paint in the shade 28. This is the first time I'm reviewing a nail paint on my channel. Inside has one nail paint range which has all pastel colors, I think, which is amazing. I will leave a link of it in the description box. This particular shade is a very summer appropriate aqua blue shade. It says it's toxic free, but I'm not sure of that. This nail paint applies beautifully. It takes 2 or more coats for the opaque color. It stays on for a week, and I personally like to keep changing my nail paints every week, so it works for me. So that's it. These are my top 7 favorite products from Inside Cosmetics brand, and all these products are under rupees 250. I hope you guys found this video informative. If so, then please share it with your friends and make sure you hit the like button. And for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. It is very encouraging for me to see my subscriber count change, even if it is only one number. And please comment down below which of these products are also your favorites. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.